Why, hello friends, and welcome to the first episode of my Let's Trade series. Wait, what even is a Let's Trade? Well, much like a video game Let's Play, we're going to be tracking my regular activity on this account, my trades, and my thoughts on the stock market. Why would I do this? Well, many reasons. First, I want to hold myself accountable, because if I'm documenting my trades, it'll mean I'm doing less stupid things, hopefully allowing me to make more money. Another reason, I think it'll be entertaining. Sometimes, despite documentation and critical thinking, I do indeed make very stupid trades. And if you're like me, seeing them blow up can be quite entertaining. Maybe not for me, but probably for you. This is not supposed to be any sort of educational series. It's just a series meant to be entertaining to you, and maybe you can learn something from my mistakes. Anyway, let's get right into it. This here is my Let's Trade ledger. We have all these columns to document different aspects of the trade. And as you see, it's set up with very advanced formulas that automatically calculate your return and other useful statistics of the like. We have a why category that I intend to use to explain why I made a trade, to sort of help keep me honest, as I mentioned before. And we'll have some notes on the outcome of the trade, so that way we're constantly learning and getting better, as that is ultimately the whole purpose. Alright, so here you see an example of a play that we do currently own. I'll walk you through this. It's worth noting that to enjoy this channel, you'll need no prior knowledge of stocks or any of the tools that I'm using in an attempt to make money, and I'll do my best to put them in simple terms. So here you see SQQ, put the date and the entry cost in, and we're waiting on the exit cost to see what the net gain is. Here's the reason why. I'm not really going to explain it. It's kind of just a hunch that I feel. We'll see how it plays out. But here in this type, it's a call option on this security. I'm not even going to begin to try to explain the purpose of it. It's a bunch of convoluted, this tracks this, and when this goes down, this goes up. Essentially, what this play is intending to gain on is a downward movement in the market. If the overall market moves down, the value of this security is going to increase, and I'll make money. And the point is just to hedge the positions I currently have, which means if the value of the market goes down, the value of the stocks that I currently have go down, and this will gain value to offset those losses, so that hopefully when the market recovers, I'm in a better position than I was if I had done nothing. So that's the basic idea of this, and we'll be exploring more plays like that in the future. Lastly, this content is only educational in the sense that I'll be making mistakes that you can then avoid repeating in your own because you've seen me make them. I'll never claim to be someone who knows everything about trading because that would make me a poser. Nobody knows everything there is to know about trading. It's all about constantly learning and improving your strategy. So with that said, let's check out the portfolio. Alright, welcome to the portfolio. I use Robinhood to invest, mostly because everything is free, no commissions. That's huge for me, considering I'm not working with a large sum of money. And I really haven't ran into any trouble on this platform. It has everything I need to make money, and that's all we care about, right? Tough month, mostly due to some stupid plays that I made, but also just a general downturn in the market. No big deal, we'll be back. We have about $3,500 in cash to play with. And that should be more than enough to turn this red line into a fat green bean. Real quick, I'll put a referral link in the description of this video if you're interested in opening a Robinhood account. Both you and I will get a free stock if you do it through this link. I'll quickly introduce you to Thinkswim, a free trading platform offered by TD Ameritrade. I don't use it to trade on, but it has a whole host of incredibly useful tools, including these studies, watch lists, charts, and the likes that I can use to make informed decisions for plays and search for plays and all that good stuff. Lastly, we have our watch list. We use this to summarize my thoughts on the market for the next day and what we're looking for, potential plays that we'll make, and the likes. Again, it's worth reiterating that this is not at all advice for investing. I'm still very new to this. I just enjoy making hunches and seeing if they work out, ultimately in the hopes of improving my ability. So for Monday, we're looking out for a continuation of Friday. There was news about Trump not backing down on the China front and increasing coronavirus cases. Both of these not good for markets, so we saw a brief sell-off at the end of Friday. Looking for a continuation of that. Hopefully capture on it with that play we have. Maybe put down some more. We'll see. But overall, this market's characterized by uncertainty. Nobody really knows what the market's doing. There's a lot of disconnect between the economy and all these current events and what the market's actually doing. So if the experts don't know, I most certainly don't. But we can certainly try. And in general, all the stocks have been kind of following the broader market trends. There have been a few that have done better or worse, but in general, most stocks have been following the general trend of the market. So we'll look to make plays on that instead of trying to find individual stocks to make plays on. Well, that's about it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you think this is a series that you'll enjoy, then stay tuned. And if you know anybody that may be interested, please share so they can enjoy this wonderful content. Thanks, friends. I'll see you in the next one.